This is Russeley Bay in South Wales. It's the kind of place I find myself quite a lot. My name is David Boone. I'm the Deputy Head of BGS in Wales. This is what I'm here to see today. We're monitoring landslips across the British Isles, including many things like this. This slip occurred in 2013 after some really heavy storms, and it caused quite a lot of damage to the steps and the access to the beach, which meant that the National Trust had to close the path for a number of months. My job today is to monitor this landslide and check to see whether it's moved since we were last here. After the 2012 winter storms, there was a massive amount of erosion around the UK coast. The knock-on of this has been more landslides along the coast. It's a really big problem in Wales. Assessing the danger of a landslide, we have to take a couple of things into consideration. So firstly, how large is the landslide going to be? And secondly, how fast is it going to be? Now, it's the fast ones that are really dangerous. The one behind me here is what we call a slump sort of landslide, and it will generally move at kind of a metre per few seconds, and that gives you time to get out of the way. But this contrasts starkly with a case where you have a high sea cliff. Large bits of rocks can fall incredibly quickly. Now, it's very tough to escape this kind of landslide. We have unfortunately seen several accidents over the last few years where people are enjoying the coastline but get too close to the cliffs, and crumbly cliffs can be dangerous. I'm really keen to make sure that we use science in appropriate ways, and we use science to help improve the lives of people. So by studying these landslips, we hope to get a better understanding of why they happen and hopefully when they happen. And really we're hoping to be able to in the future be able to forecast landslips better. It's fantastic being a geologist in Wales, particularly where you have hundreds of kilometres of coastline. So this is the sort of thing that makes my job so enjoyable. I've just been walking past along this beach and I found this fantastic spring. Now, this is liquefaction in action. You can actually see the bubbles of water where water is bubbling up from a freshwater spring, and it's fluidising the sand grains, and they're actually being spat out and the water's flowing away down the beach. And this is exactly what happens when an earthquake's occurring. The sand gets shaken up, and this causes something that we call quicksand or liquefaction. Part of my job is to come to places like this and record, map the geology of the UK. Of course, that's fantastic fun, and I'm extremely passionate about what I do.